helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day.
Welcome to Moms Every Day. I'm your host, Jen Lennon. Today I'm joined by Dr. Andrew Hall. He's from the Studio for Exceptional Dentistry. Welcome back, Dr. Hall.
Good morning, Jen.
Now, Dr. Hall, you always make dentistry less scary because I know it's nerve-wracking for some people, but truly it has changed over time, and technology has been a big part of that change. Tell us how technology and dentistry are working together now.
Well, one of the biggest changes we've seen in dentistry is the introduction of CAD/CAM dentistry, or computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, into the dental office. And
this type of CAD design is really high-level engineering, right?
It is. I mean, the concept was born in Germany 30 plus years ago. It's become much more mainstream probably in the last decade, but it gives us the ability as dentists to do more, to provide a service to our patient in a quicker time frame as well.
And that's what's really neat about it, is
Right.
you can do all of this in the office in a quick time frame. And when we talk about applying this technology, this is primarily for crowns.
It is. It's for anything that traditionally would have been sent to like a laboratory that would have possibly included hopefully only 2 visits, but as some patients can attest to, that even got drawn out to more. Now we can do the whole process digitally, a complete digital workflow in the office. We take a digital impression. We're then able to design the restoration on the software, as you see there. And then after we've done that, we send that to a milling chamber, which is in the back of the office, which allows us then to mill out the ceramic, which will become the porcelain restoration, whether it be a crown, partial crown, a veneer. Any of those types of restorations can be manufactured with it.
And that's just amazing to see. And that's you sitting there doing that we're seeing it in that footage.
It is.
And because you do it all. You're not just working inside the mouth, you're also then designing, right?
Right, so we take that skill set from, preparing the teeth, so to speak, and then now we're able to then design and manufacture and customize that restoration just for that patient that's sitting in the chair.
And so in the end, do you think that's a better fit, and do you think it's a better restoration in general?
I do. I may be a little biased, but it is much more
Sure.
precise. It's a digital workflow, so we're not dealing with any stone models or taking impressions or anything like that. And so we know that is much more precise way to work in any facet when we're manufacturing anything.
And I know that you mentioned this earlier, but I want to highlight this for people. You said traditionally these types of procedures might have taken several visits to the doctor's office, but you can do this in one now.
Right. The big thing that the patient benefits from is we save them a lot of time. Because something where they'd have to make 2 visits to the dental office, we can now do in a single visit. The other thing we save them is what most patients don't like is sometimes wearing that plastic temporary crown that always comes off at the most inconvenient time when they're out to dinner or on the weekend or what have you.
Right.
So we're able to eliminate both of those
That step
things.
is gone.
Yeah, that step's gone because we're able to deliver the final restoration at the same day.
And I happen to know this, that you're so good at this, you actually train people to do this around the state, correct?
I do. I help out training. If people get into the technology, then I have the fortunate, I love doing it. I have the opportunity to help them learn the process.
So we're lucky to have you right here in Southern Colorado. If people are interested, can they come in for a free consultation? Can they learn more about this at your office?
Absolutely. If they have questions, call the office or come in and sit down with us. We'd be happy to walk through the process with them.
And remind people where you're located, Dr. Hall.
We are at 13453 Voyager Parkway on the north side of town.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And so I know that you invite people to come in, check out your website, and I know that you're happy to talk to them about this technology. It really does make a difference in their dental experience.
Absolutely. We hope that it'll be a very unique experience for them and different than any dental experience they've had before.
Excellent. Thanks,
Yep.
Dr. Hall. Thanks for the information. And for more information about the Studio for Exceptional Dentistry, you can go to our website, momseveryday.com. Thank you for joining me today and every day. I'm your host, Jen Lennon, for Moms Every Day.
Visit Moms Every Day online or on the go through our Moms Every Day app. Download it today to find local solutions for you and your family.